We're here at Martin Family Farm. They're going to be 63, these heifers. They're all home raised, all Angus base. They're double vaccinated, 2 rounds of Bovishield Gold. They've had 1 round of Division 7. But just a real nice grass flesh heifers. Medium frame. Be predominantly all number 1s. These cattle have been weaned at least 90 days. They have not been implanted. They will be weighed here on the ground by 2% shrink on certified scales here at the farm. They're all home raised, coming off the cow herd here on the Martin Family Farm. They're all Angus base. Cattle will be carrying just a little bit of Continental, 20 to 30% Continental. But just a very nice set of heifers. Heifer's going to be in that 6 1/4 range. Just a real nice set of home raised heifers coming from Martin Family Farms. Medium frame, medium flesh. Just a grass flesh on these cattle. Will be 63 of them.